Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do some little modifications, pretty inexpensive. What it is, we're going to replace those lights and put LEDs.
Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Hitting the licks in the band. Legacies.
Alright, first thing I'm going to remove is I already took the clips off on the very bottom. You just pull it out. And actually lied, I already had it off. I already scuffed the whole thing, so it's should be ready for paint. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna repaint it since it already has all these scratches on it. And it has a lot of stress cracks, so it's already smooth. Sand it down. Go ahead and remove those little lights. All it is just Phillips. And then here's the package. I already opened it. Came from China. Dang, look at these. So they don't make any of these for the G8s, but and should fit. So here's one of them. Has the wiring to it, so I can wire it up to my signal or brake light, which I'll probably just do brake light. You can see the LEDs are inside. You can see that way better. It's too sunny out. Man, let me take these off real quick. Just place one on and see how it looks, and then take it back off, and then I gotta repaint this deal right here, re-clear it. There it is. Junk. Did it exactly the same. Alright, so I might have to drill a hole there unless it slides in there. But other than that, it fits. No modifications needed. And guess what these came off of? These are a 2016 Camaro SS rear diffuser lights. And they have two different styles. I got the one with the LED strip in the middle, or they have the ones with the outer LEDs. So I thought these were the best ones, in my opinion. Smoked, gonna look real good. And then thinking about painting this black or re-white, so I'll figure this out in a bit. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and just do the same paint to match. For Macy Delco, it is the same color code as the car, so it's Huron white. So I already scuffed this whole thing. Let me just start shaking. Alright, so first coat is applied. And see, it's lightened up on the deals. Should have put primer, but we'll see how that goes and go from there. So I'm gonna let this dry for about 15 minutes. Here it is, the last coat. We'll let this dry up again. Yeah, it looks really good. Let me let it dry, and then I got the 2K clear and apply the clear on it. Looks pretty dang good. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and throw the clear coat. Actually, that like that right there, you won't be able to see it, like I said earlier. And of course this will be covered by the light, but maybe that right there, I don't know. We'll see how it comes out with the clear coat. I just don't want to waste the 2K clear. It's kind of expensive. That right there you won't be able to see since the car is really low. And then of course that piece right there, my hitch will cover and comes up to like right here. That's why it's a lot of stress cracks, because the hitch is actually hitting the car so low, and I come out the driveways, it hits it from there. But it's a 2K clear. I'm about to throw about 3 coats on it. So see how that comes out, guys. Alright, so I gotta take this little cap off right here, put it in the bottom, and you activate the clear, and then I guess you gotta shake it some more. So thing is about this, I probably will only use like half a can, but you only have 2 to 3 days before the hardener gets hard on the spray can deal, and then it's not gonna work anymore. So do my best to use it up. Where you at, son? Yeah, it looks pretty good. Little shiny. So I'm going to let it dry 15 minutes. Apply the other coat thicker. So second coat. Let's do it. You want to put heavy coats, but the damn wind is not letting me. Look at that. That looks really good. Alright, there it is, guys. Man, it looks pretty dope. It's gonna be LED straight across the middle for my brake lights, or parking lights I should do. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comment below. I mean, I'll put it in my descriptions where I got it from, and there's two styles. I'll put both links on there, see how y'all like it. But I'm gonna order the other style for that G8 over there, and then paint the diffuser as well. Alright, I got the car in the shop. Let me have to go ahead and install this bad boy. I'm gonna install it and wire it. So I scratched it last time, so I'm gonna do all that real quick, and then I should be able to get the wires in here. Alright, so I'm just gonna, yeah, I can see down in there, so I'll just fish the wire through there. It's gonna go through the bumper, no biggie. So there it is, pretty easy. So I'll just wire this up. I got the wire pulled. I'm gonna have to find out what's the park light and tap it into it. So I mean, it's simple. So Yeah, it looks pretty good. Alright, tail light just fell. Looks really good. So painted white. And then the signal. Let me wire it up, guys, and then show you how it looks. And it's dark out there, so I'll take it out there and see how it looks like on the dark. Alright, so the green wire on that Camaro lights is gonna go to this green wire here, and this is off the Spider deal, so of course it'll be this socket on the original tail lights, which you have to figure out which one it is on this one. But for here it'll be black for ground, and then this is the park light, which I'm gonna do park lights for this one. So I'm gonna tie those in and then I'll show you what it looks like. I'm soldered. So there it is. I just tapped it into the wiring harness. I'm just gonna solder it, put it all back together, and it should work. So like I said, it's black and green. It should be good to go. Alright, here it is. It looks good. It's in there, and I'm gonna tape it up. Heard a car over here. I'm gonna check it out. Record it. Dang, look at that. So there it is, guys. Camaro LED bumper lights. Let me know down in the comment below. Let me know what y'all think. To me, they look sick. I'll take them out there right now, but let me I'm gonna try to change the oil out real quick. But yeah, it looks dope. I like it. Let me get a closer view. All right, yeah, so it came up pretty good. No wires in the burn off, so now I gotta do a Pro Charger oil change. I'll clean it up right now. Just get the air. Let's go up. Right there. Alright, got the oil out. Man, I made a mess. There it is. All done. Changed the oil and look good. I like it. Car's too loud. But yeah. Yeah, it came out good. I like it. So there it is, guys. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. If you like the video, just hit the like button. It puts it in front of other videos. But other than that, it looks good. Want to know some stuff about this one? Let me know.